This home starts at $1,089,000, but in this community, on 80-foot lots in Prosper, this might be one of the best opportunities we've seen.
All right, I'm so excited to see this brand new plan by Shaddock. And as you come on in, first of all, you know how we love these double door iron glass doors, and then this entryway is just extreme wow factor. Love the curves and the arches that they have going here, and it just feels like you get that sense of all that wall of glass, which is just outstanding. But this thing is just wow all over the place. So let's go take a look. First thing we're going to do is go take a look at this secondary bedroom down here. One of the things I want to point out is this is a real solid core wood floor. Loving that. And then as you step on through, here's the secondary bedroom on the downstairs. And look at just everything, take everything in that they've done with this. Love how they put all of this molding in. Loving the color, and if you like that color, wait till you see the kitchen, because oh my. Now this thing is absolutely huge. And then I love this door right here that leads to the ensuite with a step down shower.
I love the colors of the tile. That is so pretty.
Yeah.
This whole house has such a pretty design to it. It really does.
And look at this, Patrice. We've got the wood grain.
Yes,
I mean, you know what? The way that they're doing it modern style, I'm warming up to it. It takes me a little bit. Look at this closet. That's, you know, if this is a guest bedroom, they're gonna stay a minute. Mm-hmm. All right, so let's go through here. You guys like us to show you all the closets? That's just gonna be kind of your coat closet. As you step on through, what we love about this house is they have optioned it to have 2 media rooms. This one is kind of set up as kind of a flex space right now, but this is designed to be a downstairs media standard. The upstairs media room is an option, but look at this. I could picture right here a nice sized TV or screen. And this is just a nice space.
I love all the details they've done on these walls with the moldings. I know that's just a design feature, but it is so pretty.
But something that you definitely want to look at, and you know, a lot of people aren't buying necessarily right now, but they're getting nice ideas, and this is a house that will give you some tremendous ideas. Like I said, when it comes to Shaddock, Shaddock is one of our top 10 our preferred builders. So definitely hit that subscribe button, that bell, so you're alerted every time we do a video. Loving this room, Patrice. What do you think? And if you don't want a downstairs media, it's great flex space because it does have the 2 windows. And then look at this though. You have the bar, and this is like the perfect location for the bar, right? Because you have downstairs media, you have this bar, and then it flows into your family area.
Yeah.
Right, so you get a lot of bang for your buck with this bar location.
I agree. It's perfect. And
Yeah.
it's really pretty too on top of it.
Oh, I think I can pour a drink or two in this. And again, here's that wood grain. Loving everything about it. Okay. Come on through. Oh, let's take a look right here. Now, Michelle is working out of the office right now, so we're not gonna go in there, but that's where your office is. And then I like all the wood banisters. What do you think of that, Patrice?
I think it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's kind of old school, timeless, right? So as you come through, again, look at these arches. Absolutely fantastic. And then you know how we feel about beams, and this has beams. Now look at how big this family area is. I mean, you talk about a great room, this is a great room. Am I right? Look, you've got the fireplace centered right smack in the middle of the room, which we absolutely love. You've got your mantle, you've got bookshelves and built-ins on either side, which is really cool. This is plenty of space for a TV if you need it. But you also remember you have that media room downstairs, and you have 2.
I think this might be my new favorite.
Now, the one thing that you pointed this out before, this wainscoting and stuff like that, it just gives it a timeless charm to it that I'm really digging, right? It doesn't feel Like you've got the modern conveniences, but it feels like this is an old school Dallas, Preston Hollow type home. Does that make sense? Loving the sliders, right? For entertaining purposes, that's gonna be a showstopper. And then let's go into this kitchen. We've got to spend some time in this kitchen, Patrice. First, loving everything about Patrice and I, when we were walking this, I was talking about how this is my dream kind of countertop, right? Big, thick counters. And then I love this two-tone. You've got the popular grainy oak brown tone island, and then it's accompanied by this, I don't even know what color blue this is, but it looks like it's, you know, like 100-year-old home. Like but it's a modern color. I don't know how to explain it.
I would even do this color. It's so pretty.
And you know how Patrice is always saying, I'm not brave enough. I think she would actually be brave enough to do this.
Oh, I agree. I think this is gorgeous.
You've got a 6-burner cooktop with a griddle. You've got a nice pot filler. I mean, this kitchen just screams elegance. And then look at this. You've got the hidden dishwasher as well as refrigerator. Look at this, Patrice. This is just what modern homes at this level, they all should come with this, right? I mean, this is just gorgeous.
Yeah, did you notice that this has 2 dishwashers?
No, I did not notice that. Are you serious? Oh my gosh, I thought this was just a trash. Wow, look at all of the cabinetry, and it's all these drawers, which is so nice. They glide so easily.
But you need to check out the snack closet.
Okay, is that this? Oh my heart.
Look at that, it's got a little, is that a microwave?
Yeah, you got a microwave.
Yeah.
And then all those drawers where you can kind of hide all your, you know, soups and all that stuff. This is definitely Costco approved.
You always talk about air fryers and coffee pots. Well, there you go.
Yeah, you can definitely hide it in there. And then look at this laundry area.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, this laundry area coming off of your 3rd-car garage. You've got a nice sink. You have the counter space. If you have the front loading washer and dryer, this is a nice idea where you have plenty of space to do your folding and all that. And then you've got your mud room all in one, so you don't have to worry about, you know, having 2 spaces with dirty stuff. This is all contained right here in this one location. You do have another kind of linen closet, but it's stuff where you can put some of those supplies that you don't want, you know, taking up that pretty snack closet, you know, like the big toilet paper rolls and, you know, paper towels and all that stuff. Look at how big this thing is. Love the high ceilings. It just feels like a very comfortable, luxurious home. All right, and then look at this, Patrice. You step into this dining area. It's so elegant. You've got, I mean, does this qualify as a jewel box dining room? No, okay.
I don't think it does because you have, you know, the spaces in between. If it was all
Glass?
glass, then it would.
Okay, I get it, okay. I just love all the glass, right? So, liking the round table, I'm all about the round table. I think it's so much more functional. You get so much more seating space. Everybody could be part of the conversation. So that is fantastic. Let's go outside because I am dying to look at this patio. Look at this patio. Oh my heart. We can get so much entertaining done on this thing. Loving the 2-story ceilings on this. It's loud because they have so much construction going on because these things are selling like crazy, guys. But this, imagine putting down the screens here and just extending even more living space. Got your fireplace, having a TV right there. I could just feel like you're just hanging out. And then I love what they did here. You got some shade as well as this open outdoor kitchen area. These lots are pretty big, or big oversized lots. So even this, look at all the grass area that you're gonna have on these lots. And this is not taking up the whole yard.
Yeah, I think this is really the perfect backyard.
Yeah, I mean, they're perfect for us.
Yeah, I love it.
Absolutely. So now look at that, Patrice. That's a door. Is that to the primary?
That's my guess.
If that is the case, the only thing they're missing is a hot tub.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go take a look at it. All right, so that door actually is not from the primary, it's for your half bath. So that would be great if for your guests that are out there, if you're entertaining, they can come in here without draping any dirt and that stuff. So if you have a pool, that would be a great option. And then right off of here is your primary, and let's take a look at this. Holy beams. You've got 2 big beams, loving every bit of that. And it's just a really good size. I love the color. The color is just kind of that white, but it's like a creamy white. And what I love about this is I love how it's tucked back in this corner of the home, and it feels a lot more private. Then you step on through these double doors, and oh my heart. Look at this, Patrice. This would be your section. I think you'd be pretty happy with this.
I'd be very happy with this.
Yeah, I'm loving how they carried the thickness of the countertops all the way through.
I agree. And look at these drawers fronts. They're so pretty. It just adds such a nice touch to this.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't seen anything that I would change, to be honest with you. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Loving the deep soaking tub, and then that is a jewel box shower. You know I've got to get inside. So, okay, I stand corrected. Remember I said there is something that I would change, and that would be a rain head. But you kind of have this.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, you know what? I can live here. But look at that tub, Patrice.
I know.
That would fit both in you and I in it.
So nice. And then look at these cabinets over here. These are beautiful.
Yes, I love that. Instead of a closet, you know, where it just kind of feels builder grade, this is built-in cabinetry that just, again, gives it that elegant.
You mean instead of a linen closet?
Yes.
Yeah, I gotcha. Oh, look at this closet.
Patrice,
Wow.
this is one of 2 closets.
Oh.
Yeah, this would be your closet.
Okay.
Is that good enough?
That works for me.
Yeah, so let's look over here, because on this end, you've got a little smaller closet, but it's got the drawers and everything that I would need. So I think we're in good hands.
You know, Andy, we're gonna go upstairs, but I would be happy with just this downstairs as it is. Just, I wouldn't even need an upstairs.
Can you imagine if you had, you know how like those downsizers 55 and over places have 2 bedrooms?
Yeah.
Can you imagine this in like a 55 and over community? This would be,
That'd be nice.
absolutely killer. Can you imagine? Oh my heart. All right, let's go upstairs. All right, here we are upstairs, and again, we want to point out the wood banister and the spindles. I mean, it's just like that timeless stuff that you don't see anymore. That's where I'm thinking this whole house is like an upgraded modern Preston Hollow home. That's what it feels like to me. Look at this game room. Look how big it is. It's got a space for 2 couches, a big ottoman, and a pool table. What more do you want?
Yeah, this is a perfect game room. Perfect game room. I mean, you could even have like a card table over there. You can, I mean, the options are endless here.
What's over here? You step on in, you've got a full bathroom. They've changed kind of the color of this tone. It's a lighter wood tone. But I like this flooring that they did.
I do too, and I love the bold blue tile. I think that's cool.
Yeah, if you got a boy, that'd be an awesome addition. Which obviously this room was built for. Look at this. Look at, they painted the crown molding. The designers are so brave, but it always works. Not always, but it works in this house. Look how big this room is for a secondary bedroom. And then you have access directly to that bathroom.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Let me see this closet. Very good. This is a great room.
Yeah, and it's tucked over on this other side. I'm wondering if the other rooms are kind of separated too. I mean, this just looks like a movie. You know, Home Alone. I expect Macaulay Culkin to be running out here or something. It looks like a, yeah, it just looks like a timeless, you know, classic house. And then what's this?
The second media.
Okay. What's better than having a nice media room? Having two nice media rooms. Oh my heart. You can have the kids up here. You can have so many things. You can have them playing games up here. This could be the movie night one. You can have two different themes.
My only question is, look at which way the chairs are facing.
Well, Patrice, designers are not designing this like
you're gonna be watching it?
no, but you know, I mean, they have a design like a den, like, you know, like with the lamps and the side tables and stuff like that. This is like a den, but as a media room, oh my heart. Kids could be up here watching their stuff. You could be downstairs watching the football game or whatever the case may be. Loving everything about this. Now that's an option, just so you know, but definitely an option worth exploring for sure. Look at this. Look at the high ceilings in this room. And then obviously that bathroom is what feeds this room. You've got a nice walk-in closet, and then it has a door for that bathroom, just like the other one on the other side of the house. So I think we're almost getting done. This house is so big. All right, one more bedroom. Look at this. This is almost like a secondary primary room. Look how big it is. It's absolutely huge. And then it has its own ensuite and own walk-in closet.
Ooh, with a window. I
Yeah.
love it.
You're loving the window.
I love, oh my gosh, I couldn't even imagine when I was a kid, this would be the perfect room for me. Look at the pinks and stuff. And then look at this cabinet in here.
What?
Would this, our daughter,
Oh my heart.
would
Look at the bottom. She's like an old soul. So she just bought her own house and decorated it, and it's all like,
she would love the scallops. That's
yeah,
for sure.
yeah.
That's so pretty. But look, oh, and then they've got the scallop tile that matches. I love that.
Oh wow.
I don't know. This designer did a great job to me.
Okay, outside of the secondary media room, I do agree. So there you have it, guys. Let us know what you like about this house. Maybe things that you would change. Do you think this is something that you can see yourself living in? We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. So hit that subscribe button if you're following our channel. And again, if you have any Dallas real estate needs in 2026 and beyond, the best way to get a hold of us personally is hit that dream home form. And until next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.
All right, if you've made it this far, you're definitely our kind of people. So let's make this easy. If you're planning a move to North Texas, click that dream home form below and tell us what you're looking for. We tour these homes every single day, and we'd love to help you get it right.